Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ, and if you're trying to find where the fuel filter is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Why we mention these three cars? Due to the fact that they share the same engines, same transmissions, same drivetrains. Doesn't matter if you have a hybrid, if you have a gasoline, or even if you're in Europe, you have diesel, guys. It will work as well. So let's go ahead and explain where the fuel filter is located in case you need to replace it, guys. Okay, the main fuel filter. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So this guy specifically, it's right here 2013 Ford C-Max hybrid that in the US here it's the drivetrain, engines, everything's the same as the actually as the Lincoln, MKZ and Ford Fusion. The non-hybrid version, engines, 4 cylinders are the same as well. That's what it looks like. Now you look here, we removed everything. We couldn't find that fuel filter anywhere. So let me tell you guys, where we looked, and where we found it. On most modern vehicles will be that way. I went underneath the car, we removed the pen here, the splash shield under the engine. That's the splash shield right there. Let me show you that here. This is the engine transmission. We have a coolant leak that we need to fix. And if you come right here, guys, if you pay attention, the fuel line is that black line right there. That's the fuel line. I followed it all the way to the top, nothing. Then I come here, I follow the fuel line. That's our fuel line. It's going right here. We removed the cover. I was looking somewhere for fuel filter or anything like that. I didn't see anything. Then we went toward the back, where the fuel tank is. Let me show you now. And right here now, just give me a minute, to go ahead and insert myself somehow here, guys. 1 second. And here, that's the fuel tank. And when I come this way, you follow, that's the fuel line right there. That's fuel line. It comes right here, goes to the top of the tank. Guys, we don't see, actually, you can see the metal line right there. That's the fuel. Right there. This is the black line is the evap line. This is the purge control valve line. The metal one is the fuel line. And if you pay attention, it's nowhere to be found, guys. Nowhere to be found. The connector is right there on the front side. But no fuel filter. So let me show you where that fuel filter actually is located. This is the evap system here on your vehicle. And if we come all the way here, and we open, guys, a picture of the fuel pump assembly. Give me just a second to show you something. This is, guys, the fuel pump assembly right here. That's what it looks like. Your fuel filter on the gasoline engines and the hybrid engines is located in the fuel pump assembly, guys. That fuel pump, you have a fuel filter as well. So everything is integrated in one module. If you need to replace it, unfortunately, in most cases, you need to replace your fuel pump assembly, which is not very expensive, and I'll put a link in the description of the video below if you need to get it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.